Hi guys. Sorry, hi guys. This is a Tyler show. And we're outside waiting for the thunderstorm to come. Me and my cousin. And look what happened to my leg. Tragic. Look, oh my gosh! It's coming! It was like really windy and we was like jumping around. And that box over there flew at us. I mean, it didn't fly at us. It just... hurry up, we're not walking! Oh my god! It's scaring me! Oh my
Now it's fun though, wasn't it? Wow, Chloe got a tornado.
Looks like a little hurricane.
Ready, do it again, Ray?
Yeah, that was so scary. Okay, this is what we're going to do. We're going to run all the way in the middle of the yard and run back down. Ready?
Go.
Like a really big yard. Look at the dog. Looks like really fun. This is my makeup. I don't know if you can see it, but... Oh my god, it's scaring me! Whoa! When you look up and it's like really, you know, it's like really dark when you look up. And yeah. See my makeup like that? You like it? I know. Yeah, so I also want a video on my shoes. Please comment. No, I want you to really comment or subscribe. Ow! Look, seriously, rain just fell in my eye. Okay. That guy is lucky that my hair's not straight, because if it was, I would have been so mad. Look over here.
Oh, let's play. Wicked. Wow. Ready, Ray?
What's that? Oh my gosh!
Ready?
I'm scared! Oh my gosh. Looks like super awesome. You see all the raindrops?
My God. Ready to do that again? Huh?
Wait.
Hurry up.
What? It's raining. We're in my shirt. We're in my shirt. Everything's okay. We're in my shirt. It's okay. I have a tank top on. Oh my gosh, I'm in my shirt. Let's not go under the tree.
Leo got it.
I won't. Yeah.